Tennessee has many native plants that can stabilize the environment as well as the creatures inhabiting it. Four plants, however, stick out from the rest. Besides being pretty, red buckeye, firewheel, American beautyberry, and bee balm also have some major roles. For starters, red buckeye starts producing nectar earlier in the season than most plants, giving hummingbirds an early food source. At the same time, the roots grow deep into the soil, packing everything together and helping to prevent erosion. Secondly, firewheel, a great plant for a college campus such as Lee, go Flames. Not only do their vibrant colors add a spark to any environment they're put in, they are also low maintenance, being able to sustain themselves with very little water. On top of all of that, the firewheel attracts bees and other various native pollinators. Next is the American beautyberry. This shrub produces beautiful berries that are a sustainable food source for squirrels, raccoons, deer, and birds. Its berries can even last through winter, providing food most all year round. Lastly, bee balm, one of the most crucial plants for pollinators, being rich in nectar, supplying for native bees and other pollinators, especially during high pollination seasons such as spring. It is also very low maintenance and naturally repels mosquitoes due to a fine fragrance it produces. All of these plants would work wonderfully together. They all bring amazing environmental benefits to the table, as well as being so beautiful for landscaping. You can't go wrong with these plants. One of the reasons that our team wants to encourage Lee to choose flora that is suitable for Tennessee's environments and promotes local biodiversity is because of the times that non-native flora has been detrimental to the environment. Two such cases come from California. The palm trees and the eucalyptus trees have been devastated. The palm trees that California is famous for are indeed beautiful, but they require more water, reduce less pollution, and are more expensive than many of California's native trees. Along with that, the eucalyptus tree has been even more devastating. While they were planted for their ornamental and wind-breaking value, because they are native to Australia, they are also highly flammable. While we may not have these specific issues that California has, non-indigenous plants can still harm our environment. Lee is already a beautiful campus with a variety of greenery. Our plan is to add to that beauty while also promoting local ecological stability and biodiversity. Plants can help reduce the amount of soil erosion and water runoff by absorbing rain. This is especially important during heavy rains when flooding is more frequent. Also, local flora, such as bee balm, can also provide necessary nutrients for our native animals. Incorporating flora on campus can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal and promote a sense of community. One ideal location for introducing more greenery is beside the SMC building. This area often serves as a hub for student activities and gatherings, making it a perfect spot for a vibrant garden or a flower bed. By planting native species and colorful flowers, we can create a welcoming environment that encourages students to spend more time outdoors, fostering relaxation and social interaction. Additionally, a small seating area with benches surrounded by greenery could serve as a peaceful retreat for students between classes. Another promising site for flora enhancement is the field next to BOB. This open space provides ample room for a large-scale greenhouse or community garden. A greenhouse in this area could serve as an educational resource for students interested in horticulture or environmental science, allowing them to engage in hands-on learning experiences. Furthermore, a community garden could promote sustainability and encourage students to participate in growing their own plants and vegetables. This initiative could also host workshops, fostering a sense of collaboration among students and faculty while enhancing the campus's ecological footprint. Overall, adding flora and greenhouses to these locations would not only beautify the campus, but also contribute to the educational and social aspects of the Lee University community. By strategically placing these features beside the SMC building and in the field next to BOB, we can create inviting spaces that promote environmental awareness, community involvement, and a deeper appreciation for nature among students and staff alike. While the visual appeal of flowers often takes center stage, the introduction of native flora extends far beyond mere ornamentation. It offers a wealth of ecological advantages to local environments. This is particularly true for institutions like ours. Because we are nestled in the southern eastern region of Tennessee, strategically incorporating plants indigenous to this area, such as firewheel, American beautyberry, and bee balm, the university can foster biodiversity by attracting essential pollinators and aid in soil conservation through their dense root system. These flowers can also provide crucial sources for wildlife, and in the case of bee balm, may even contribute to improved air quality. You might be wondering why we even need to plant these flowers. The answer is pollination, a crucial act done by bees, butterflies, and moths that help spread pollen between flowers. enabling them to produce fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. The outcome of pollination is rooted in ecological balance. Pollinated plants contribute to air and water quality by producing oxygen through photosynthesis and absorbing pollutants. Ultimately, the university's campus would greatly benefit from the biodiversity and aesthetic pleasure of these plants.